Jim Eccleton, the owner of Larry's RV, is with us. Unfortunately, Denise isn't. We miss her, but good to see you.
Yeah, thanks for having us back again. Yeah, someone got to stay home and do all the work.
Right. Well, we hear you've been doing a lot of work because you did some remodeling.
Yeah, we've done so much to our building over the last, this is our 8th year at Larry's RV in Jackson. We put a new steel roof on. We've spent $100,000 on blacktop and all kinds of different interior. This is a totally different place. If you haven't been to Larry's RV in 8 years, you need to stop by and see what we've done.
Tell me about your inventory.
We have a lot of inventory. We have tons and tons of brand new Wildwood and Heritage Glens campers, every floor plan you could possibly want. We are lacking in trade-ins. We need your trade. We really do. You hear it all the time on the car dealers that we need your trade. We need your trade so bad that we're probably paying more than we normally would on a trade-in.
So now is a good time to trade in your old RV.
If you ever thought about trading in to get a new RV, this is probably the best time, especially after the July 4th. Things start to slow down just a little bit. We want to keep our sales on a steady pace.
There's still plenty of time to go out there and
camp.
A
lot of time, but you know, in our business, July 4th is like the peak of the mountain. And,
when does the camping season typically wrap up?
It used to be Labor Day.
Okay.
The doors would just close up, but now people go all the way through Halloween. All the parks have these Halloween events and hay rides, so people camp later than they've ever camped.
Yeah, love that.
Jim, I know that there's so many new technological advances with campers. You've got Wi-Fi in them. It's kind of glamping in a way, right?
Yeah, there's so many new features in the campers these days from way back when we were kids. But, you got the regular household refrigerators, you got the Wi-Fi hotspots, you got a vacuum built into the camper, like
that's awesome.
Central vac.
Central vacuum. That's what I'm trying to say.
I've seen fireplaces.
There's fireplaces. We actually had to install one for a customer. He didn't like the cabinets where it stores stuff, so he said, put a fireplace right there. So we did that for him.
Well, I know one of the stories you were saying is you had a customer that called and was concerned that you might not have the model, but you did.
Oh, we did. He was at another RV dealership and got there, and they didn't have the camper they said they did. So he called us, got us on our website, on his smartphone, and we had 3 of them. So he called and made us promise that we had one, and he came on a Saturday and bought it right there. Wrote a check.
Fantastic.
We did what we said we would do.
Right, so now he's probably a customer for life.
He probably is.
Yeah.
Well, if you're looking for a camper, any size, any kind, go to Larry's RV in Jackson. You've got lots of them on hand.
We do. We have plenty, and we also have a brand new store manager that's been in the business for 15 years, parts manager. He's unbelievable. He knows what you need before you even come in.
That's great.
There you go.
All right. Make it in.
Larry'sRVService.com, 787-3830. Thanks so much, Jim.
Thanks for having me back.
All right, that's all our time for now.